Good evening, hi everybody. My name is Oriana Besaida Cordova. Today I am gonna sing the next song, Your Song by Elton John. This is a karaoke activity. Let's start with the activity. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. Don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I would buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculpture, but then again, no, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it is not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that is done. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is when you are in the world. I sat on the roof and kicked off the moss. Well, a few of the verses, well, they have got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite calm while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that I keep turning on. So excuse me for getting, but the things I do. So you see, I have forgotten if they are green or they are blue. Anyway, the thing is what I really mean. You are the sweetest eyes I have ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that is done. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you are in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you are in the world. Okay, this is the end of the activity. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.